Welcome to session 6, Get Better Results with ChatGPT. In this session, we will show you easy and smart ways to use ChatGPT more effectively by asking clear questions, being polite, and sharing a right information. You can make GPT work better for you for your daily resume activity. We will start by talking about why clear instructions are important when we're using a ChatGPT. Then we will look at how being friendly in your messages helps. After that, we will see why giving correct and up-to-date information matters. Next, we will talk about trying to different ways, asking a questions, using a different prompts, right? We will also learn how to keep improving your results. Finally, end with simple pro tip for using a GPT for every day. Clear instructions help GPT to give better answers, be direct and specific so it knows exactly what you want. Treat GPT like an assistant. Give it clear task just like you would be employee. This helps you to get a better results. Tell GPT exactly what you want to do. Say how much detail you need and what format you want the answer in. Context helps GPT to give you a better answer. Share all the important details so it understands the full picture. Be friendly when talking to GPT. Using a nice conversational tone often gives better result and more helpful replies. A friendly tone makes GPT sound less robotic. It helps create a more natural and human-like replies. Keep your chat warm and friendly. Ask questions that start conversation and encourage more ideas. Use a chat like a style when talking to a GPT. It makes the conversation smoother and helps GPT understand you more better. Give GPT correct and up to date information. Also, the data, whatever data you are referring with, good data helps it give you a better result and more useful answer. Always use accurate data in your prompts. Correct information helps GPT to give you a reliable and helpful replies. Keep your data fresh, relevant, up to date, updated information helps GPT work better and give you a accurate answers. Give all the key details about your topic. The more complete your info, the better GPT can answer you. Try asking questions in different ways. It helps you to see what works best and gives you a better result. Ask different type of questions about your topic. This shows how much GPT understands and helps you to get deeper insights. Test GPT with different situations. It helps you to learn what it does well and where it needs to be improvement. Look at GPT's reply and see what worked. This helps you to improve your questions next time. Keep learning and adjusting how you use GPT. This helps you to make better result over a time. Pay attention to feedback on GPT's answer. It helps you to spot on what needs to be fixing and improving. Keep improving based on how GPT performs and the feedback you get. This helps you to get a better results every time. Adjust how you use GPT based on your goals. Being flexible helps you to get answers that fit your own needs. Use GPT often to get better with it. More you use it and GPT learn and improve. Using GPT every day helps you to understand it better. You will get smoother and faster results as you learn. As you use GPT more frequently, it learns from your interaction, enabling it to provide a responses that better fit for your style and own needs. Use GPT daily to get the most of it. Being consistent helps you fully use its power of your work. Thank you for joining this session. By using these tips, You will have a smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable time with GPT. Keep learning, keep improving, and use GPT to make your daily work easier. Don't forget to subscribe to Discover Talent and make sure to watch our next module, Going Advanced with Automation and GPT API, coming up next. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.